Hi folks, you here. In this video we are going to take a look at another Mikrotik product. This is a CRS317-1G-16S+RM. So, here's the box of the device. Of course, on the top we can see the standard product picture, product number, of course. We also have the product number here, some notice at the bottom, and some standard stuff on the sides of the box. So let's open it and take a look what's inside. In the box we have some notice and manual. We have two standard power cables, rack mount ears. Take a look this a little bit closer. So standard 1U ears, and of course bag with the sticker, screws, and the rubber feet if you want to put this device on top of your desk, on some shelf, whatever. Here we have the device itself. It's rather good packaging. We have a bit of foam to protect the ports. Okay, let's remove the box. Here's the device itself. So, let me talk a little bit about the platform itself before we take a look at the ports. So, CRS317 is a layer 3 router OS switch. It comes with a level 6 license for the router OS. It has dual core ARM CPU that runs on the 800 MHz clock. It's the CPU 98DX8216. As I said, it's ARM based CPU, 32-bit of course, dual core, 800 MHz. It also have the 1 GB of RAM paired with this great CPU, and 60 MB of storage. It doesn't have any additional memory upgrade slot. And let me talk about the size of the device. So this device is 443 millimeters wide, 224 millimeters deep, and of course standard 44 millimeters height. It has the following ports: 60 SFP Plus with these neat covers, so you have plastic covers with the pull tabs. Great stuff, Mikrotik. Each of the port has activity and 10G LED. All the ports are marked at the bottom. We also have the following. We have a console port. We have additional 1 gigabit port. This is useful, for example, if you want to set up a VRRP. We have the reset button, and we have all the LEDs. Notice that we have two power LEDs. What this means is we have two built-in redundant power supplies with these clips, so the cable can be pulled out. We have two fans and big passive heatsink. So usually this device runs passive, but if if when it comes under heavy load, the fans will ramp up. They will also ramp up while booting. We have side air intake and front air intake. Also side intake on the other side. This is a great device, for example, if you want to upgrade your network on the chip to the 10 gig, or maybe if you want to have a distribution switch, maybe for your core. So it is actually a great device. So let me talk a little bit about powering this device. This device has two power supplies, and maximum power consumption is 44 watts. So you can take note of that. And the operating temperature is from -20 to +60 degrees. So because of this device has this passive heatsink, it's not really ideal for the closed cabinets. You need some ventilation so that all this hot air can flow from the cabinet. And that's basically it. So great Mikrotik product, very useful. I will be using this switch for 10 gig upgrade for my lab and home server, and that's about it. You will see this device in action when I do following video with my home network. So until next time, you will sign out.